everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm with a new model, beautiful Ali. And if you're looking for a style that's kind of like it's up but it's down, you can't decide, this one's perfect. It's a really simple braid. Let's get going. So to start this style, we're going to be doing a French lace braid, which is just a French braid but only taken from one side. So I'm going to pick a section of hair up here, break it into three, and we're just going to cross over the middle, cross over the middle, cross over the middle. We're not going to add from the top, so cross over the middle, take a section of hair, but I don't kind of want to bring it like up like that. I don't want it severe, so I'm going to take a section at a nice diagonal because we want this style to kind of sweep a little bit. We don't want it all tight and looking like a school braid, so I'm just crossing over like a normal French braid. I will tease that out in a minute. So we're going to go again, a nice diagonal sweep, cross over, not adding in, go again. And I have just left out a few little bits at the front, just to soften the style. We're going to kind of come down with this braid and then we're going to pick it up. So I'll show you what I mean. So now I think I'm ready to just bring that section across. Can you see how we just created a nice sweeping effect? And now I'm going to start taking sections of hair and bringing them up. So it's almost like we're making the hair sort of almost sit into like a ponytail in a minute, but by using these sections to hold the hair up. So again, and I'm not super tight to the head here, coming away slightly. So I'll probably just keep going, maybe one or two more. One more section, guys, from underneath, bringing it up. So I'm just continuing that braid a little bit, and then I'm going to tie an elastic, and then going to get this braid and almost just kind of tuck it back in on itself like that, so that curl kind of falls and adds to this side bit here. I'm going to take a long hair grip or hairpin and just secure that to the sides. So I'm going to show you what to do with this right hand side in a minute, but before we go any further, I'm just going to do a little bit of sort of teasing and softening of this style. This is kind of optional, you don't have to do this. Just created a little bit of depth at the back. You can tease this out way more if you want to. Now with this section here, what I'm going to do is just use like a topsy tail and just push it behind here. Take this section of hair, find the bottom of this, just gently pull that through. I feel like this style is be perfect if you were like a wedding guest or you had a summer party to go to. Just love the sweep of it. I have got another video, it's going to pop up now, that would be perfect for a child or an adult actually. It doesn't have to be, I just did it on a child. But yeah, there we go.